Welcome to Recipe or Disaster. Have you or a loved one been affected by breast cancer?
1 in 8 women are diagnosed with breast cancer, with over 200,000 new cases this year.
And over 2,000 new cases for men are expected to be diagnosed as well.
It's the leading cause of death by cancer in women, second only to lung cancer.
So let's make sure we all do our part, helping to find a cure. Donate to the American Cancer Society. We put a link in our Facebook page, so go ahead and check that out.
And ladies, make sure you get those annual mammograms.
So in honor of the women and the men also that have been affected by this horrific disease, we're going to go ahead and try this recipe that was given to us by our good friend Kat. And she is a breast cancer survivor as well, and she recommended that we try this recipe here.
We love you, Kat. The recipe we're going to be doing today is white chipotle chicken chili by the South Beach Diet.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get all of our videos.
So let's get cooking.
Why does the mermaid wear seashells? Because she grew out of her bee shells. Blah!
Alright, everything's done, smelling delicious. Seems to be more of a soup than an actual chili. I mean, when I think of chili, I think of something more thicker.
So one of the options that we had for garnishing was cheese, so that's what we chose, grated, ready to go here.
Alright, let's give this a try.
I like that it's not too spicy.
Yeah, it's not at all spicy like I thought it was going to be. Because I tasted the chilies raw, and they had some kick to them. And I'm a person who loves spice, so I was definitely looking forward to some heat in this. And really, the heat, I think, is very toned down in this dish.
So overall, I really do enjoy this recipe.
Yeah, I can't stop eating it, which is a good sign. I mean, I just keep digging in. So Now let's talk about cost efficiency.
Really wasn't too bad. Total, we probably spent about $15 on the whole pot, which will feed us, our kids, and probably have leftovers. So now let's talk about simplicity.
This was super simple. Again, another easy to do recipe for anybody that wants to make a good hearty recipe for your family at home. Basically what you do is you dump ingredients in and stir, and that's pretty much it.
So overall, I really enjoyed this recipe.
Me too. I'd recommend this for your family and friends.
I think it's going to be majorly kid friendly too.
Absolutely. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps it up for today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also hit that bell icon again so you get all our videos.
Have a great day.
Alright, we're out.
Kitchen Lobster is quite impressed. What? I don't write this stuff.